Am I just suddenly uploading videos again? Probably not, because I'm about to start a full-time job next month. So yeah, have fun while it lasts. Also, I don't have any makeup on right now because of the video that I'm about to film. I did curl my lashes though to try and make myself look a tiny bit more presentable, put together. Like I didn't try. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit of a backstory. Over the summer, it is January now, so I think in August or so, July, I took a permanent makeup course and they taught me how to tattoo people's eyebrows in a nano style, as well as ombre and combo. It's kind of how I got into the eyebrow world. And then a few months later, I took a online course which taught me how to do eyebrows again, but with the hairs that you already have, so brow lamination. And I know it sounds so weird. No, we're not gonna like actually laminate our eyebrows with a piece of plastic, but kind of. Set up everything that I need over on my right side. And yes, I'm inserting my own shameless self-plug. I do have a Instagram page just for my brows. I mean, not my own brows, but brows that I do on other people, that I've tattooed, that I've laminated, etc, etc. Also do have a personal page and all of that. Let me know if you do follow it because I need that self-validation through other people. Okay, enough of that. Let's just get on with laminating my eyebrows. First step is to cleanse the brow area. So I've already washed my face and obviously I'm not wearing any makeup, so it should be pretty clean. And now it just looks like I am completely naked. I'm just wiping my eyebrows. Can you see that my hairs kind of point downwards? Because I am blessed with the most Asian eyebrows ever. We're gonna make them go up. We're gonna give them a little lift. The best way that I can describe brow lamination is that basically it is a lash lift, but for your brows. Lift the brows, you know? Now I'm adding some skin barrier. And I just dropped it. All right, I would never do this for a client, but since it's just me, I'm just gonna put it back on my Q-tip because I don't want to waste the product. It's much harder when you're sitting up trying to do this. You can add some on the underside of your brows if you would like. I was totally wearing my glove condom the entire time. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little pump of the lift on the back of my hand. We're just gonna apply kind of like dotted around so that it's nice and evenly spread out, and then we're gonna brush upwards. Now that it looks like I've basically glued down my eyebrows, I put a plastic wrap over them. I'm just gonna let this sit, I think maybe for like 4 minutes. And now that I feel like Squilly and Fancy Sin, we're gonna do the next step, which is to take off this beautiful look. I'm gonna roll in the direction that we want my brow hairs to go. Take off that product. And we don't want these to keep processing and for my 3 eyebrow hairs to fall off, so we're gonna essentially neutralize them. And we're gonna do the same thing. Let's spread this around a little. And coat it on there. I'm now turning very red. Don't know why. Again, it's time to leave this on for 4 minutes or so. Just waiting for my timer to go off. Am I beautiful yet? I've taken the tiniest bit of cleanser and we're just gonna lightly go over this. You want the tiniest amount because if you use too much, then that means your brows are gonna be wet and they will go straight down to how they were before. We don't want that. Now this isn't really a necessary step, but if you want to tint your eyebrows, you can do so now. I'm gonna hope that I don't mess this up because the tint will stay on for a little while. I feel like I should have done the front hairs last. Oh well, it's too late for that. Wow, I just gave up on that right eyebrow, didn't I? right? I think we're only gonna leave this on for like 30 seconds, a minute. Try to clean this up a tiny bit. I think that for me, tinting doesn't really do much because my eyebrows are pretty much black. I don't have a lot of peach fuzz that I can dye. I don't really know why I'm doing this, but we're doing it. Let's wipe these babies off. Just one more time. Tiniest bit of cleanser. Let's go. Almost the last step. We're gonna go in with these tweezers in case I wanna take anything out. Probably from the bottom a little bit. Yo, I'm sorry, minx brows, but these tweezers suck. They can't grab anything. I went and grabbed my own trusty tweezers. No idea where they're from, but look at how cute they are. They're so cute. There is one last step. I don't know if this is actually necessary. I'm pretty sure it's just like nutrients and good things, so maybe it is necessary. I'm taking off my glove. I just applied this straight to the spoolie. Probably not what you're supposed to do, but whatever. My other option was to use my hand, so this is a little bit better, right? And we're just gonna apply to both brows. Ooh, this is hella shiny. So obviously this isn't going to be everyone's cup of tea, I know that. I actually don't like them at this stage. I like them after you can wash them. Everyone should know this because of, you know, Legally Blonde Elwoods. You're not supposed to get them wet for 24 hours at least, but 48 hours is ideal. Before that, I kind of just have to leave them as up as possible to help them kind of set. But I will definitely come back on here and film when I have gotten them wet, when I have washed my face, and maybe put on some makeup to hide my super red cheeks. Oh my god. But you can basically style them however you want. Like you can brush them down, you can brush them to the side. I personally like to do like a little bit up at the front, and then to the side I will kind of go a little more tame. I know it's crazy right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed gluing my eyebrows down with me. It might be a little bit red for a few hours after if you are sensitive to tweezing and plucking, but the actual products that I am using on my face, it shouldn't do that at all. Other than that, let's do another shameless little self-plug and you know, follow my pages, my brow page, my regular page. You know, the probably 6 people who are watching this. I'll probably see you in the next clip where I insert my after. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that brow lamination lasts about 2 months. It can last anywhere up to 12 weeks depending on your individual brow hair growth, how often everything goes through the cycle, you know, how long it grows and then how long it takes to fall out and grow another one. Just thought I'd put that in there. Okay, for real, I need to go now. I will see you guys next time, whenever that is. Bye! Yes, I am sleeping. Wait, I'm not sleeping on my floor. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm just feeling a little too lazy to actually grab the tripod. So we're just gonna sit on the floor. It's about a day and a half after I've done the brow lamination and I still haven't gotten them wet yet. I did put on some makeup on my face today to make me look a little bit more alive, possibly, because I had to work today, but I'm probably gonna wash my face and the brows tonight. Just thought I would do a little update here, so if you guys want to see. One final update, vlog style. I'm trying to film this in natural lighting so that you can see the results of the brow lamination. I've brushed them out today. The only makeup I have on right now is the pomade, which is right under the arch. I just put a little bit there and that's it. There's nothing in the fronts and a little bit at the tail because I like a very pointy tail. But you can see that 99% of that is just hair, which is amazing. And that's the other one. I do have less hair on this side, naturally. You can only have one good brow, but all in all, I love this result so much. It really saves so much time in the morning when I have to do my brows. Even after I wash my face, when I'm going to bed, when I'm just hanging out, it still looks pretty full, which is amazing. So let me know what you guys think if you guys love it, if you guys hate this trend. I obviously love it. Anyways, I will see you guys next time, whenever that is. Bye guys.